Our homeowners would like to use fruiting trees as a transitional element from their backyard to the street. I like to suggest native trees and shrubs in situations like this because they're easier to grow under local conditions and they usually take less time and maintenance than non-native options. Kysha, this is my friend Robby. Robby, this is Kysha.
Hi, Robby. Pleasure to meet you.
So he knows all about fruit trees in this area, especially native fruit trees. So Kysha's very interested in fruiting trees for her garden.
Awesome. So we're so blessed in Atlanta to have a lot of options of fruiting trees and berry bushes, some unknown, like this native serviceberry. A lot of people don't know about it, but it's delicious and nutritious and beautiful.
Wow, so are the berries edible right now? Like, can we harvest them?
Absolutely. Would you like to go pick some?
Yes.
Let's go. All right, so hidden in plain sight is the serviceberry.
Look at
So
that beauty.
So the reason I love it so much is it has multiple seasonal interest and it does something all year long.
Oh, cool.
So as you can see, it's kind of a small tree, medium-sized shrub. And the way you can identify it is it has this multi-trunk habit. And also if you get a close look at the leaves, they have teeth on them.
So tree identification is a very important thing to know because a lot of berries out there could be poisonous. So, but if you know your plant and you know your fruit, go ahead and eat,
I
right?
look forward to teaching that and sharing that with our neighbors.
For sure.
Yeah.
So one of the ways that you're going to be able to identify it in the springtime is a beautiful white to pink flower, about the same time as the dogwoods. In the fall time, gorgeous dynamic fall color, lots of yellows and oranges.
Like the one cultivar that's called Autumn Brilliance, and it's spectacular fall color. So,
But you won't be mistaken in the month of June when you come across the berries.
Gorgeous.
Just pick some off for
Those
us.
are really beautiful.
Try some.
Good.
Enjoy. So how does it taste?
similar to a blueberry.
It's really sweet. It's like a hint of almond aftertaste. It's really sweet. I think my kids will really like it.
I think our kids are gonna love them.
Yeah, so not just delicious, but also nutritious. So very high in antioxidants, vitamin A, vitamin E, vitamin C. And birds love them.
So it's who gets there first, the birds or the humans?
Absolutely.
So do you think you would like one of these service berries in your garden?
Yeah, probably a couple. I think it's a real great tree to be able to share with our neighbors and offer a few lessons on plant identification. I think that'd be really nice to have.
I think a teaching tree is a great idea.
Absolutely. So I know we're here to talk a lot about serviceberry, but it's also summer and there's lots of other things growing. So I want to share with you a few other
That's
things
cool.
that are possibilities.
I love suggestions.
So this is our wild blackberry, which is a great fruiting shrub.
You know what, this could go on the back fence line.
Oh, that would be really pretty.
Little bramble area. I like it. What else do you have there?
Figs. So figs do really well in the city, very tolerant to the urban conditions.
Look at those.
I know, I love that shape.
And I also want to share with you something a little more unusual. This is a jujube or Chinese date. It's a fall fruiting variety, so something really nice to have at the end of the season to snack on.
What color do they turn when they're ready to go?
They turn red.
Okay, that's what I thought.
Really
Okay.
pretty.
All right. These are some good options.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.